Welcome everyone to Sovereign Hills Gold Pour Room. My name's Matt and I'll be pouring the gold for you today. Today you'll get to see 100 troy ounces, which is 3 kilograms of 99.99% pure gold. And while the gold is heating up in the furnace, what I'd like to do is explain to you all what my job here is as a blacksmith. Well, I am a blacksmith and it's my job to purify the gold that they find inside quartz. So I'm working for a quartz mining company, just like the one you see next door. And what they are doing is digging down to up to 3,500 feet, which is 1 kilometre straight down to find quartz. Once they find some quartz, they'll blast it out of the earth, take it to the surface. The next step is to get the gold out of the quartz. Gold inside quartz is very minute. It's very rare to find large chunks of it inside quartz. So, to get the little particles of gold out, what you have to do is crush it. So we send the quartz next door to the battery house, which you can hear right now, and pop in and have a look. What's happening next door is large metal hammers are crushing the quartz into a fine sand, just like this sand here. That sand is then mixed with water and washed across tables. And inside those tables, there is some devices containing mercury. Gold and mercury are chemically attracted to each other, so when they touch, they bond together, similar to the way magnets do. So the gold will wash across the table, hit the mercury, and they'll stick together. And all the quartz sand will wash straight over the top. We will then scrape up the gold and the mercury, and the gold and the mercury form a putty-like substance known as amalgam. The amalgam is placed inside this device. This is called a retort. It's a device used to separate the mercury from the gold. So I'll place the amalgam inside there, the gold and the mercury, seal the lid and place the retort over a fire. We know that mercury has a very low boiling point, so what will happen is the mercury will boil up very quickly, turn to vapours, and the mercury vapours will travel through this tube, which will leave the gold behind. But there is a problem with this. Mercury is very poisonous. If you breathe in mercury vapours, you will go mad, and eventually you're going to die. So it's very important you have a bucket of water at this end of the tube. And what the water will do is catch the vapours, turn the mercury back into its old self, so we can recycle it